What is going on, everybody? Cash Money Crypto here, and in this video I have something special for you. We're going to do a quick review of Token Metrics, one of the greatest tools in my toolbox. This thing can help you find hidden gems, and it does have some really cool features that I want to dive into. At the same time, there are some caveats to the software that you need to know about, and we're going to cover those in detail. So let's dive right in, okay? So first things, guys, as you can see, I'm already logged into the software. We're going to go into all the tabs here. I don't want to keep you for too long, but I do want to dive into it. So be sure to stick around to the end. I'm going to reveal an awesome bonus for anybody that feels like they want to dive into the software, that it can help them with their crypto investing. I'm going to add a $1,000 value bonus completely for free just for using my affiliate link. So be sure to stick around to the end for that bonus. Okay, so let's dive right in here, guys. We have some live prices. This is the first tab at the top left here. As you can see, this is pretty simple stuff, very similar to CoinGecko in that it gives you market cap details, obviously price details. It gives you a little chart here, and you can always click in to find more information about that specific coin. Okay, so what Token Metrics is, it tries to contain a lot of information. It's like the bazooka, if you will, one of my bazookas that I like to use to get information. You'll see all about it, but there's so much information in here, guys, and it's really helpful. So as you can see, the next tab is the analytics, and this is where you start getting into like some of my top 2 favorite sections of this entire software. And just to let you know, this is built by some really long-term crypto investors, Ian Bellina, and this guy's been around since 2016, 2017, made millions and millions of dollars, and taken his technical expertise and his crypto background and created an AI software, an artificial intelligence software that is it's pretty freaking awesome, as you're going to see. So, the indices, this is a really cool feature that, indexes basically, they compile a ton of different cryptos into one portfolio, right? And you can see how these indexes that were created by this artificial intelligence, by Token Metrics, how they are doing against, let's say, if you were to invest in Bitcoin, okay? So the BTC ROI against the index created by Token Metrics is 29 ROI from BTC and 644 from the index created by Token Metrics. So if you were to invest in this index versus investing in Bitcoin, you would have huge returns versus investing in Bitcoin directly, okay? So this is one of the cool features. You can go ahead and invest into these indexes, and you can reap the rewards, right? As you can see, looking back to October 14th, as this chart just continues to climb, with the returns of the indexes created by Token Metrics doing phenomenal, again, versus the Bitcoin, right? So tons of information here. You can dive into this, but again, I want to keep this video a little bit short so that you can get to the end and get all the value from this video. And of course, if you like this, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the like down below. If you leave me a comment, if you have any questions, I'll be here to support you guys. And of course, stick around for the bonus, right? I want to hook you guys up. So we have ratings, and this is like one of my favorite tabs, probably top 1 or 2 tabs of the entire software. Okay, this is where Token Metrics has created their AI, right? And they have this grade, this rating, and this thing is watching all these crypto coins, and it's based off the artificial intelligence, the algorithm created by Token Metrics. It's finding hidden gems that people do not know about, people are not talking about, and that can potentially return massive gains for you, okay? And I'll show you that right here in front of your eyes, okay? As you can see, you can go ahead and the higher the TM grade, the better, or the higher potential according to the AI, okay? So if you check out Ion, you can see here that the market cap, all this information, you dive in, and there's so much information inside of these tabs. But one of my favorite features to Token Metrics overall is under this technical analysis tab, and I'm going to show you why, okay? So what you can see if you scroll down, look at this AI, guys. Look at this. It said bullish right here, and boom, look at it take off, okay? said bullish here. Yep, there was a dip, but it slowly moved up. Now, I will say, one of the things I do not like about token metrics, I want this to be an honest token metrics review, okay? And that is that they're bearish signals. While they do work sometimes, you're gonna see in these other coins that I'm gonna show you that sometimes the bearish signal does not work out too well, okay? You might get a bearish signal and it could pump, right? But no software, no trader, no technical analysis is ever going to be perfect. This is a tool that you add to your toolbox, and you can use it amongst all your other tools in order to find these hidden gems and verify if this is a good investment for you, okay? So as you can see, bullish, boom, takes off. And I can show you this over and over and over. Let's just go to Flux. Okay, I'm just clicking random ones here. I haven't checked this, but I'm going to assume, because the artificial intelligence created by Token Metrics is very powerful, that you get some good signals here, okay? They're not 100%, but look at this one here. Bullish, boom, and a huge run up, okay? Bullish, boom, a huge run up, okay? And as you can see, right, as I mentioned, bearish, and you have a slight dip, but then a big, huge run. So as far as taking profit on the bearish signal, I wouldn't recommend that, but looking at the token metrics, technical analysis, and seeing these bullish signals can be very, very powerful signals, okay? You don't want to overlook them. And again, this is probably one of the coolest features when it comes to token metric software. Okay, I'll do one more just to show you guys that this is the real deal. Oh, strong. So this is a token that I did a review, setup. I set up a node yesterday, so you can check out that video. I'll drop the link down below in the description. We're already up, and we're making $70 passively with our new node right now. Every single day, 70 bucks. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So check out that video, and you'll see how I did it with absolutely free money that I got from an airdrop. Okay, so go check that out. But what I want to do here is show you one last technical analysis. As you can see, strong. We got a bullish signal just recently, okay? Does that mean we're gonna go to the moon overnight? No, it does not, but it does make me want to look further at this. And you can do whatever you do, whether that's technical analysis to look at the charts to see if it's at a level that you might wanna purchase. But this right here gives me a good indication that Strong could be in a position to move up here in the short term, okay? It did get a signal, what is that, around $540, and we are at $704, guys. So there has been a run up here. Again, I'm not saying that because you see a bullish signal that you need to buy and it's gonna continue upward into infinity. What I am saying is that these signals are very strong, and if you incorporate this into your trading strategy, you can find some real hidden gems and, you know, just absolutely crush it. For example, last one, technical analysis here under near. I haven't checked this, but we can see, boom, look at that. Bullish signal, bam, takes off. You did get a bullish signal here that took a little dump, but if you held, you're winning. Okay, you even got bigger gains, right? Sometimes there's gonna be drawdowns. Some of these signals are not gonna work perfectly, but this is an awesome tool right here in your toolbox to have, guys. So I highly recommend that. There are other things here. The sentiment in the on-chain, I will say that I do not have access to those. As you can see, I am an advanced user. I'm paying $100 per month or $1,000 per year. An awesome deal. If you just make one trade profitably, that's gonna cover your expenses the entire year, in my opinion. So not financial advice, of course. And if you wanna go to premium to get those additional features, you can go ahead and do that. It is a jump to $299, okay? So I do not have access to those, so we'll continue forward. The portfolio, it's a very simple portfolio, but it is gonna track your profits, your losses, and it's gonna do it in real time. So anytime you had a question, this, by the way, is not my portfolio. I just put this together as an example for you guys. And I actually, when I got the software, I just threw these in here. And so this will give you an idea of how it works, how it looks. You can tell that, you know, on this example portfolio, 11,260 profit, right? And that's tracking from when I put the coins in, the price that I entered them in at, or what I purchased at, versus the current price, of course. All right, so you can track your portfolio. Last but not least, I'd say My favorite, second favorite section of this is the TV section. This is going to give you hours and hours of content that they are constantly updating. And I mean, I found so much information. I've made so much money from their calls and from these videos, and just learned so much from, this guy's a Goldman Sachs guy. This is Ian. He's been in the game for years and years. This guy is like a numbers like maniac. Okay, so like there's just so much value. It's, imagine having a team of like 30 analysts on your side that are constantly reviewing this, and you have that for $100 a month. So for me, it's a no-brainer. I love this tool. And there's a lot more other stuff. Of course, you can make money with affiliate stuff. You can, if you have questions about how it works, right? For example, the GM rating, you can go in here and figure it all out. But that's pretty much it. Quick review of token metrics, guys. And for anybody that goes ahead and grabs token metrics from my link, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook you up with a bonus. I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to use this tool to find hidden gems very quickly, and dive in a little bit deeper into some training on how to use this tool so that you can increase your increase your portfolio successfully and with confidence. Okay, so go ahead, click the link down below if you have questions about token metrics. If you want to grab that bonus, it will be in the description down below. I really appreciate you guys watching till the end. Go ahead, subscribe if you like this content. There's going to be plenty more, and I will, I'll appreciate if you like the content as well. Just give me a like, thumbs up down there, and hope to see you guys on the next one. Thank you very much, and have a good day.